I am so excited to partner with my friends at SkyTab again on such a great initiative. The rescue mission is back and bigger than ever. We're awarding $100,000 to restaurants and bars in need. So if you're a restaurant or bar owner, this is your opportunity to win a rescue mission for your business. What does this mean? Well, I've partnered with SkyTab to award 2 grand prize winners a $20,000 cash grant, plus a complete SkyTab POS system and an in-person consultation session with me. Additionally, we'll award 3 runner-up winners $20,000 cash grant, full SkyTab POS system, and a virtual consultation with me. And all you have to do is submit a video telling me why you deserve a rescue mission at skytab.com/rescue mission. Good luck, everyone. I look forward to seeing all your applications. So if you're a business owner or you know a restaurant owner who could really use the support, share this video.
Start by researching and identifying grants that align with your restaurant's needs. Explore government websites, industry associations, and non-profit organizations. Craft a compelling grant proposal that showcases your restaurant's mission, goals, and how the grant will make a positive impact. Submit your application on time and follow up regularly with the grant provider to demonstrate your commitment and interest. Click to apply with agent. Book a callback time.